Is she in the bed or on the bed? What's up, y'all? In today's lesson, I will teach you how to use the prepositions in and on, which sometimes get confused. I am teacher Andre, your English teacher. So if you're new, hit the like and subscribe button, join the family. So we are going to understand how to use each of these prepositions in and on correctly to talk about transportation, location, and time. On is used for large or big transport facilities like a bus, a plane, a boat, and a train. So you should always say on a bus, on a train, on a boat, and on a plane.
I've been on the bus for like an hour trying to get here. Sorry.
No, I jumped on the bus.
On the plane.
However, small vehicles like a taxi or a car, you should always say in a taxi or in a car.
How to remember when to use in or on for transportation.
Tip that will help you to remember when to use on or in for transportation is all the transportation facilities that requires you to walk or climb, like a bus, you climb on it, or on the steps you walked to sit. Same with a plane, same with a bus. All the transport facilities that require you to work and climb, you use on. So on the bus, on the train, on the plane, on the bike, because you're climbing. While the transport facilities that require you to squeeze yourself or become small and sit inside like a car, you use in a car, in a taxi. Okay, tell me, where is the phone? The phone is on the bus. Now, if I put the phone, where's the phone? The phone is in the bus. Where is she? Is she on the bed or in the bed? She is in the bed or in bed. Where is she? She is on the bed. Now, why do we say here in the bed and here we say on the bed? Bizarre, right? The rule is when someone is lying under the bed sheet or the bedclothes, the person is in the bed. Like in this case, she is in the bed or in bed. On the other hand, if a person is lying or sitting on top of the bedclothes, that's the sheet or the blanket, the person is on the bed. For time, on is used when we talk about specific or short period of time. For example, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, on holidays,
I have piano classes on Sundays.
on, short period of time, specific, you use on. You can also say on holiday. However, in is used for long period of time. Yes, for long period of time, you use in September, in 1999, in 2005, in January, and so on. So long period of time, you use in. let's call it a day is an expression which means it's the end. So if you made it this far, you are my friend. You are my friend. Thanks for watching. If you're new, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share,